Hello YouTube, schizznit Gaming here, doing another video, an update on an old video I did for installing Dark Multiplayer. Now it's been a few versions of the game, a few updates have come out, and I figured it's about time for me to update my Dark Multiplayer, that's what it is. So I currently am on the forum page, and what you're going to do is you Google KSP DMP, right? Your first link will be this forum. What you're going to do is down here, we are in version 0.25 now of the game, wonderful new version. You're going to see a couple of links, right? You're going to want to click the build server download page, release/dev client and server. This is where the guy who builds this instantly sends, his new builds. You're going to go over to the right here where it says release build. And if you just want to play on your friend's server, you want the client package. If you want to host a server, you're going to get both. So I'm going to go ahead and just download both here. And I have to tell my computer where I want to download it because, yes, I want to replace it. So I've got old versions there, and I'm also going to get the server package, desktop, and save. Yes, replace, and that's how it's going to be. So then, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my Kerbal Space Program folder. I've already got it here. In case you don't know where it is and you own it on Steam, you go to your program files, x86, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, Kerbal Space Program, right? That's where it'll be. So you're going to go ahead and open up your client-side version of your zip. And this will be a bit of a rushed video, I apologize, but it's just, you can get more in-depth detail. Not much changed since the last one did. So you're going to go ahead and open it. If you see game data, I like to just open it and open this one's game data, but you can just merge the two folders. Drop your wait, no, you need the windows to be in the right spot. Drop Dark Multiplayer right in here. Make sure that you did not drop it in one of these folders, that you just dropped it with the other folders. So, should be next to NASA Mission and Squad. And there you go. Your client side is done. Yeah, that's it. That's all you gotta do. Then you open up the game. It'll generate a save called Dark Multiplayer. Don't play that save, by the way. It'll befuddle a lot of things. And then you can connect to your friend's server. Now, if you're more like me and you like to host servers, what you can do is you can open up your DMP server.zip. Same idea, right? Oops. But it's not going to have a game data folder. It's just this folder. I like to drop it right in this part, not in game data, but you go one step up, just with the Kerbal Space Program next to the exe type thing. And you're going to go ahead and just plop that right in there. Now you got DMP server. You can open this up, and you're going to run this. No, my bad. Don't run as an admin, I don't think. Just trying to remember. It's been a while since I've done this, but okay, no, you don't run it as an admin. You just run it. It'll generate all these files. And from that point, you can edit your server. It used to be with Kerbal Multiplayer KMP, you could edit it right through the command prompt. However, now you got to go through these text files after closing down the server. You can type in /shutdown or shutdown, or you can also just close it. It's all the same. Then you got DMP admins. I don't know what gid bands is. You got IP bands in case you got those real pesky people, and you also got DMP server settings. I'm just going to show you this because I currently have to do this for me and my friends to play. I'm going to look down here, right? You've got all this stuff. A lot of it will be kind of confusing. Don't worry about it too much. You want to find the hashtag mod control, enable mod control, stuff like that, right? I'm going to go ahead and turn mine off. This means that anyone can use any mod at any time in the game. However, it does conflict with people who don't have the mod because their game tries to find the parts that don't exist and it confuses their game and bad things can happen. You can also set the other things, but usually these are pretty well set. Yeah. So you're going to go in File, Save, close that. And that is it. I may or may not I may or may not make a video about how to port forward for your server. That is required unless you run through Hamachi, but I really do not recommend Hamachi. I've had a lot of issues with it. My friends have had issues with it, messing up their internet. It's, use it if you must, but it's simpler to port forward if you know how to do it. Other than that, though, all should be well. Thank you for watching. This has been schizznit Gaming. Stay tuned, because the reason I'm installing the server is that me and my new friend, we're going to be playing this together, and hopefully, if I make it a series, we will be making a multiplayer series together. Hopefully I'll have more than just him. We'll have a whole bunch of people playing, developing a wonderful universe. But, yeah, stay tuned for that.